Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are for the elements that my wife got from her friends. So it is custom made. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And this is each individual wrap. Oh dear, what a year. And this one has a ribbon that is tied up, so you can hang this on your Christmas tree as an ornament. So yeah, it seems like it's a custom vinyl sticker that is stick on this ornament. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. And this one says 2020 sucked it, but yay, Christmas. And here's the third one. 2020, the year we stay home. Huh? Because of you know what. Also, actually there are 5 of them. And this one says, all I want for Christmas is 2021. Because we just want to get the 2020 to get it over with. Yeah, it's kind of weird because in January of 2020, I already told my wife I got a feeling of it's going to be a pretty bad year, and it is. And then this one say, baby, it's cold, beat outside. Probably it's cold outside. Funny. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.